Hi everybody. Now well, it's not about, 11 years ago I put a video on YouTube, one where a car is struggling to drive through the snow. Now this was the worst winter we'd had for a long time, and we haven't had one as bad as this, well, since then, to be honest. On the road where I live there's not a lot of traffic, and we had actually had snow on the road for over a month. Anyway, I've had a lot of comments over the 11 years about what vehicle it is and why was he out and why didn't we go and help him, etc, etc. So I just want to put a few things straight after all this time. Firstly, the car is not a BMW, it's a Rover. It's not a rear wheel drive, it's a front wheel drive. Ask me why I went out, not got a jar of glue, don't have an idea, not a clue at all. And the reason we didn't go and help is quite simple. About 30 minutes earlier, we were walking to the shop to do a little bit of shopping. Obviously we didn't want to drive because the weather was, and the roads were that atrocious. We thought it would be absolutely ridiculous to try and go out in a car. Obviously some people don't. Now, as we walked across this road junction earlier, there was about 4 or 5 people digging this exactly there, or there was 4 or 5 people digging this car out about 100 yards down the road. And I saw them there and I watched them for 30 seconds or so and wondered why on earth somebody was going out in this weather. When we started to return from the shop, just before I started videoing, he was about 50 yards further down the road, and guess what? Some other people were digging him out of the snow. And he sat in the car, you know, while these people are digging him out, just revving the engine and spinning the wheels. So when he got stuck again, there was no way I was going to do anything. If he's stupid enough to go out in that weather and expect other people to help him, he can forget it. Anyway, just so we know exactly which clip it is, I'm going to run it now and you can watch it and tell me what you think. So there you go, that was the clip. What do you think? Was I wrong not to help him all these years ago, or should I have given him a hand? Personally, as far as I'm concerned, he'd had all the help he needed over the, well, half an hour that I'd seen him out on the road, so there was no way I was going to help him. If he persisted in trying to drive this vehicle in that kind of condition, or in those kind of conditions, he deserved everything he got. Anyway, that's my uptake on it after all this time. If you agree with me, please let me know down there. If you think I was wrong, please let me know down there. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye everybody.